Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to the series of machine learning concepts. This video deals with the details of datasets. Particularly, we'll be answering the questions like number one, from where do we get datasets? Number two, how to understand data in datasets? Number three, how to use it. When we come to answer the first question, from where do we get datasets? From any browser, when we type dataset in the text box, a list of famous dataset platforms are listed. Like on screen, you can see Datasets UCI machine learning repository, which itself has thousands of datasets, and KD Nuggets datasets. Likewise, Coggle can be come across, and you can see data.gov, which deals with withholds lot of government related data, and at the same time famous also famous data set like IEEE data port is also listed. Any researcher who want to perform data science project, they can go to these data set platforms and search for their domain related data set and start their work. The second question, how to understand data in the data set. For understanding the data in the data set, I have taken the movie lens dataset as an example. When we search directly for a movie lens, we'll come across this screen, and download when we download the readme file, we'll come across all these details. In readme file, you can observe summary is given, usage license details are given, citation details are given, further information about group lens is given, and in particular, the very important thing is it is listed that if anybody is using in these domains, this data set is useful. So one can easily understand how far it is relevant, his problem is relevant to these domains, and he can decide. And formatting and encoding. Here all the attributes are listed and they are explained in a very well formed, not only terminologies, but at the same time the whole data file structure is also explained. As you go further, you will come across that here you can see the movie details like movie IDs are given, title of the movie is given, and genre is also listed. Likewise, when you check for the details of rating, you can see which user has rated how much to which movie and at what particular timestamp, and who have tagged, how they have tagged, everything will be listed here. Now the third question comes like Now the third question comes, how to use it. After downloading the data, one need to convert the whole data into a structure which should be compatible to his problem or to his algorithm. The very important thing is, in any data set, a user need not use the whole data set, all the attributes or the whole data set, but only that part of the data set can be used which he which the which is relevant to his problem. Another point to be remembered is, any data set cannot be expected that it has the whole data in a perfect manner as per the domain or as per the problem or as per the algorithm. In that particular situation, many a times the researcher need to retrieve or derive the data from the available attributes. So these are some of the details related with the data sets. Certainly, many details are not covered in detail, but in my forthcoming videos, I shall